Hey guys, it's Connor, and today we got a really quick video just showing you how to export and re-import presets on your Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera. Backing up your user settings is going to be really important in a few cases, meaning if you have multiple cameras, if you like to rent these cameras and don't actually own them, or if you're in the case where you need to update the software on the camera, because it will do essentially a factory reset if you update the firmware. All that being said, let's start with showing you how to get your user presets off the camera and onto your computer. Once you fire up your Blackmagic camera, you're going to press this button here to bring up the menu. From here, we're going to press on the Presets tab, and here you can see our user settings. Start by tapping on the preset that you want to export. We're going to click on these two arrows here to bring up the preset manager. And now we can swap over to Export Selected Preset. From here, we're going to have the option to pick where we want to store this preset. And with the Blackmagic, you can have two different storage devices at once. I've only got one, which is a CFast card, so I'm just going to hit Export to Card 1. That's all we need from the camera, so all we need to do is eject our media storage and then plug it into our computer. Once you connect your storage media to the computer, you can see that there's a folder called Presets now. If you double click on that, we find our 24 FPS preset has been saved in a .cset format. From here, we can back this up to our computer or to a cloud storage solution, or we can just leave it on the disk if we'd like. Now to import a preset, we're essentially going to reverse the process. I have a test preset here that I'm going to drag into my presets folder, and now I can eject my CFast card and put it back in my camera, and we can take it from there. On the camera, we're going to proceed the same as before. We're going to open the menu and go to presets, and this time we're going to go straight to the preset manager. From here, we just make sure import preset is highlighted, hit import, and now it's going to open up our two options for our available card slots. I don't have an SD card, I've just got the CFast card, so I'm going to press on the test preset and hit import. After just a couple of seconds, it's good to go, and we can press on that preset to highlight it and press on the check mark to apply that preset. If you found this helpful, I'd really appreciate you helping me back by liking, subscribing, commenting, all that stuff that you're well aware of how to do by now. And if you have questions, let me know. But until then, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.